let's start cooking again. I prepared here some garlic. You don't have to take all the skin off. You can just leave some of it for added taste. And then we have some bay leaf here. We also have star anise. So don't just limit yourself on a few pieces like I do. This is my preference, so you can add some more if you want. We also have some cornstarch in here. We need some cornstarch, and then some sugar. Of course, sugar. And also we have here the Shaoxing wine. So this is a Chinese rice wine that we will use. And of course the sweet soy sauce. So I prefer to use KIKKOMAN, but if you have some Likomki soy sauce, light soy sauce or dark soy sauce is fine. And then here is our baby back ribs. So I just cut it in half so that it will fit perfectly on my pot. So it's already clean. So this will be our pot. This is my pressure cooker, so we will cook that here. So the first thing that we need to do is to make a caramel. So that will be our first step. That will be the base of all the taste of our barbecue. So how to do that? So all you have to do is to set your pressure cooker on frying mode or searing mode or browning mode, whatever is in there. So in my case, Farberware, I use Farberware and it says sear or brown at P9. So let's add our sugar in it. So when your sugar become a little caramelized, you don't have to make it perfect, okay? It's really hard to make it perfect, like the caramel thing. But if it's slightly caramel like this, then you can add all of the ingredients, you know, the garlic, the bay leaf, and everything, including your pork. So just continue to put all our ingredients in here except for the cornstarch. Okay, yeah, I forgot to mention that earlier, that the cornstarch will be used to thicken our sauce later. So you can add all the ingredients inside of it, but not the cornstarch. All right.